Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is gonna be all about electronics. Who's ready? So today we're gonna do the Amazon Echo Dot. I know this has been out for a while and it's something that I've been wanting to buy, but I've been nervous about it just because I'm not too super like technology savvy. Whatever that. So let's try it out. I don't know. I've read some reviews. I know it's a popular product, but quite honestly, I don't know what this is good for. So we're gonna test it out and see how we feel about it. So let me open this up. So I did order this from Target online, and I believe I paid $37 or $38 total because I do have the Target, the red card. So I think it was like $38, but the normal price on it is $39.99 plus tax. So it ends up being about 43 bucks. I saved a little bit of money on it. Black or white. I chose the white one just because I just chose the white one. So this is what it looks like. So let me open this up. So when you open this up, it looks just like this. Here you go. That's what it looks like. So let me take this out. And this is actually, oh, it has like little pamphlets and stuff. This is actually smaller in size and heavier than what I thought it was gonna be. So this is what it looks like here. Let me get this closer. And this is how thick it is. Let me see if I can get something so I can show you. Okay, so here's a bottle of water, right? So this is how thick it is right here. It's what, maybe like, what's an inch? Like your thumb or something? Not your thumb, like from knuckle to knuckle or something? Like that maybe. So about an inch. No, it's more than an inch thick. I don't know, but this is how big it is here. Like I said, here's a water bottle. That's about how thick it is. So white, and this is what the back of it looks like here. So it does also have a power. I'm assuming that's a power cable because it comes with, oh yeah, that's the power one, because it comes with this little, the box too. So it comes with this as well. So here's the box, here's the connector. So let me connect it. Hold. Okay guys, so I wanted to change the view just a bit. So I plugged in the Alexa and this is what it looks like. There's a light going around it. I like this, like what's this metal, like not metal, it's like the silver, it looks like a titanium kind of color up on top. There is a light going around it, if you guys can see that light. And as soon as I plugged it in, it did say finish downloading or setting up your Alexa through your app. So I'm gonna download the app so that I can set it up. And then I did also connect it here. Now when I tried to connect it, this kind of felt like a sponge, kind of like when I was trying to push this in there, like it was hesitating a bit, so I had to really shove it in to get it connected. But it is connected, the light's going around. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the app on my tablet right now. So give me just a second and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna download the Alexa app. I have my tablet right here. I don't know if it has to be on a phone or a tablet, so I'm gonna download it on my app, and I'm gonna download the app on my tablet and we'll see how this goes. So I'm just gonna enter in the App Store Alexa app for iPad. So this is what it looks like here, the results. So let me see which one it is. I think it's Amazon Alexa, maybe right here, this one. I think, let me see, because the app just, this little brochure that it came with, or this little pamphlet, it says download the free Amazon Alexa app to your phone or tablet. Start the download process in your mobile browser at alexa.amazon.com. Okay, let's try it that way. Alexa.amazon.com. Okay, so I entered alexa.amazon.com and this is where it took me. It says sign in. So sign in what? I have an Amazon account, so do I sign in with my Amazon account? I don't know, let's try it. So keep me signed in. Yes, I want to stay signed in. Give me just a second. Let me see if that was right. Okay, so it did say I entered my Amazon information. So it says download the Amazon Alexa app to begin setup on your service. So it took me to this. So let me, and the button says download now. Can you guys see that? So let me download it now so that it can update. Open in iTunes, yes. So I'm hoping it's the one we thought it was. Oh yeah, it is. Look, it's the same one. So let me download that. Get. How's your guys' day going? Today's I've been feeling kind of like for the last couple days, but you know, I'll get over it. Okay, so it's downloading. So let's see. I really do like the feel of this. I think it's really, really pretty. It has a very sleek look to it, and I really, really do like this. It's really nice. So I feel fancy. I feel like I'm up to date with technology, even though I don't know what it does, but that's how I feel. Okay, so I opened it, and this is the screen that it's giving me. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it's asking me to sign in again. So let me sign in again with my Amazon. I'm assuming you have to have an Amazon account. I don't know if it has to be Amazon Prime. I don't think it has to be Amazon Prime, but you do have to have an Amazon account. So I entered my information and it took me here. So it's just kind of thinking about itself. So let's see what happens. So welcome to Alexa. Get started with these easy steps. Connect your device to Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's begin setup down here. So I'm going to begin setup. Choose a device to set up. This is the Echo Dot. So it gives me options here. So I'm going to go with Echo Dot. Let's go with that. Choose a language. I'm going to stick to language. It says, let's get your Echo Dot connected to Wi-Fi so you can start using it. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to hit this one. I think that was the right button. Wait for the orange light. Okay, I see an orange light, and then continue. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on this iPad and select the network for the format Amazon XXX. It may take up to a minute to display. So it says to look for my Wi-Fi, go to my Wi-Fi on there. So let me go to my settings. Where's my Wi-Fi? And then it says Amazon X. Oh, I see Amazon 2GE. I don't know if that's the, oh yeah, because it says Amazon XXX. Not that it's going to say XXX, just it's going to say something. Okay, so.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
That's just blows my mind. I don't know why that thing is talking to me. It's creeping me out. Okay, so I'm back at the Alexa. It says connected to the dot. Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network. Let me select it. My head is itchy. Okay, let me get my password. So you're going to need to make sure that you have your Wi-Fi password and name with you so that you can set it up. So which I do. I actually have it written down on a board behind me. You guys can't see it. It's like more on the side of my door. So I keep it there just because, knowing me, I will forget the password and then nobody's going to be able to log in. So, okay, so let me connect. All right, so it says preparing your Echo Dot. This might take a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. I would have done this on my phone. Normally I download every app that I can on my phone, on my mobile, but that's what I use to record. So I can't, you know, I can't be like, oh, look what I'm doing on my phone if I'm using it to record. So it still says this takes a few minutes, so it's still uploading there. So let's see how long this takes. I feel kind of like weird. Like I know. I just feel uncomfortable. Like my chair isn't right. Look at those pretty flowers. My sister gave them to me. Look, these flowers right here. My sister made them and they're so pretty. I'm actually planning on filling up a whole door of different color flowers like that. Super cute. Anyway, okay, so it says the setup is complete. So let me hit continue. It says select how you want to use your Echo Dot. Bluetooth, audio cable, or no speakers. No speakers. I don't have speakers connected to it. It says this short video will walk you through some basics to help you get started. Okay, so let's look at this together.
Let's take a quick tour of your new Amazon Echo Dot. Now it's easy to add Alexa to any room in your home. Play your music, communicate with friends and family, and control your smart home with just your voice. To get the attention of your device, say the wake word, Alexa. You'll know your dot is ready when the light ring turns blue. Echo helps you organize your busy life. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 9 a.m., there's Jordan's soccer game. And at 7 p.m., there's dinner with Tony.
You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app. Alexa, message Tony.
What's the message?
We're still on for dinner tonight, right?
Sending
You can message somebody through here? What the? Oh, if they have a dot or something. Oh, that is
Just ask
so
for a song,
cool.
artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Your Echo Dot has a built-in speaker, but you can also connect your home stereo system with an audio cable. or pair
Oh,
with
you
supported
can.
Bluetooth speakers.
Look, let me show you guys. Hold on. Let me
Alexa,
get this off.
Play today's most popular songs.
Look, okay, so here's the thing. It says that you can connect it, and it does have like an aux cord right here. Oh, that's what that's for. So excited. Okay.
When you're cooking, you can ask, Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons.
Interesting. I am
set a
so
timer for
excited
12
now
minutes.
to. Okay,
12
let's keep
minutes.
listening. Okay.
Starting now.
All right. This little tutorial is almost done. I'm super
Alexa,
excited
stop.
about this.
With Smart Home, you can control supported lights and
Look at
appliances
that.
without
Can you
lifting
guys
a
see the
finger.
light going around it?
Alexa,
I know my lights are like
turn on
super
the
bright. Let
bedroom
me
light.
see. Look,
Okay.
you see the light going around it?
And remember, Alexa is
Love
always
that.
getting smarter. And with thousands of skills, Alexa can help with everything from ordering pizza to getting a ride across town. Be sure to explore the Alexa
Can I say,
mobile app.
Alexa, order me
Ask
some
Alexa,
Domino's?
What can I do? For even more fun ideas. Enjoy your
I'm
new
so
Echo
super
Dot
excited.
from Amazon.
Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm not gonna order pizza. Somebody give me the credit card so I can order pizza. Okay, so this says next. So let's hit next, and then it says, now you try. Say the following phrase aloud to Echo. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Palmdale, it's 58 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has clear skies with a low of 33 degrees.
Why am I so amazed by this? Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, let's hit next. Okay, let's see. Play Amazon Music. Okay. Let's see. It says, say, Alexa, play music. Alexa, play music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Mellow 70s Gold from Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Okay, then it says, Alexa, play happy music.
Here's a playlist for happy music. Pop Latino pair El Verano from Amazon Music.
La vida me empezó a cambiar. La noche que te conocí, tenía poco que perder.
Is this Shakira? Alexa, is this Shakira?
Y mi pelo a medio se. Pensaste todavía es un niño.
Alexa, what song is this?
This is Me Enamoré from El Dorado by Shakira.
Creí que estaba soñando.
All right, let's see what else it says. It says, okay, Alexa, play working out music.
Here's a playlist for working out music. Cardio Dance Workout from Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Cardi B.
Shuffling songs by Cardi B.
The nerve of you bitches, like, oh my god, I got no words for you bitches.
Alexa, stop. Freaking Cardi B's cursing on here. Okay, let's see. Alexa, play the song that goes Street Lights People.
Don't Believe in Christmas by the Sonics.
Well, mom and dad said I could, so I did what I should. Hung my stocking on the wall, didn't get a thing at all. Don't believe in Christmas. Don't believe in Christmas. Don't believe in Christmas.
Alexa, what's the news today?
Here's your flash briefing from Reuters TV.
From Reuters TV, here are today's top stories.
The NRA draws
I can see why you would want speakers for this, because this sounds like okay to me, but I have it right here. But if I'm like, you know, across the room or something, you really might not be able to hear it. So, I don't know. Alexa, stop. Okay, so it says go home. You're ready to. Okay, so it says create a voice profile to personalize your experience. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, I had a burp. Okay, so let's do that. I don't know how to do that, but let's see. Settings, maybe? Let's see. Set up music and flashback, blah, 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 routines, blah, 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 history. No. It doesn't tell me how to set up my voice. Things to try. Okay, let's just ask her some stuff. Alexa, what day of the week was September 23rd, 1980?
September 23rd, 1980 was a Tuesday.
I was born on a Tuesday. Oh, I'm so adorable. Alexa, play My Favorite Murder. No, maybe she doesn't want to. Alexa, play My Favorite Murder podcast.
Getting the latest episode of My Favorite Murder with Karen Kilgariff and Georgia Hardstark. Here it is from TuneIn.
Alexa, stop. That is my favorite podcast. If you guys haven't listened to it, you're totally missing out. Go check it out. My Favorite Murder. Absolutely love it. Let's see. What can we ask? Alexa, play Don't Break My Heart.
Achy Breaky Heart isn't included with Prime but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
No.
Okay. You can sign up anytime by saying, sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited. Achy Breaky Heart by Billy Ray Cyrus.
Oh, you can tell my lips, tell my fingertips, they won't be reaching out for you no more. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart.
Who knows? Alexa, stop. Who knows the Spanish version of that? I don't know what it's called, but it is so much fun to dance to a party. Here we go. I love this little thing. It's fun, you know, to ask it a million questions or whatever you need, any information you might need. I did, from what I understand, is that this one only works within a certain range. And the bigger one, the Echo, works with a bigger range. This one for the bedroom, I was reading some reviews on it, is perfect because of the size of most bedrooms. Your voice should carry over throughout wherever you are in your room, which sounds about right for me. I'm definitely going to keep this on my nightstand. I absolutely love it. Would I recommend it? Definitely. It's a fun little gadget to have. It is $40. It's very inexpensive. Let me know if you guys want me to compare this to the Google Home, because I am thinking about getting the Google Home and seeing which one we might like better. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I really do appreciate you guys spending time with me. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below before you leave, and also the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. So again, thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Alexa, say bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.